Well, welcome to our hotel. We are in England, and this is called the Holiday Inn M1, which is the name of the road, Junction 28. So I thought I would give you an idea of what it looks like, and I also wanted to tell you it looks a lot like several of the other hotels that we've stayed at during the times that we've driven around England. So I thought this might come in a little bit of handy for lots of reasons. So first off, there's the main room. Here's the door. As you come in, you've got your closet area here. And then if I can get it open here with one hand, there's your ironing board, your iron, a little more closet area. If you're gonna stay a little bit longer, here you go. There's your extra drawer, and here's your blow dryer. And then on this side is the bathroom. So it's just a nice basic bathroom here. There's the shower. If you've not been to England, Europe, anywhere, a lot of times they don't have doors. So you just be careful not to splash the water everywhere. But this is great, really nice. And then around the corner here, we've got a nice area here to store things. You've got a refrigerator here as well. There's a kettle. There's your safe. Another shelf there. It's nicely decorated. There's the TV. Little desk area. And then this is a double-sized bed. Maybe it's a queen-size bed. Anyway, there's the bed. It's got a full-length mirror right here. And we're going to be back here next month actually again because we're going to come up this way again. We're very excited. If you're familiar at all with Pride and Prejudice, the Peak District, this area up here is where it was filmed for the BBC as well as for different versions. And so we thought we would share this with you. Let me know what questions you've got, and I'm delighted to answer them. And I hope you're packed because you're coming along with us. So great hotel here to start off with.